Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day number 2 of my 12 days of holiday graphic liner. All of them are inspired by a zodiac sign, so comment down below before getting to the end of the video to see which zodiac sign this one is inspired by and see if your guess is correct. If you're new here, my name is Salvia. Welcome to my 12 days of holidays. I'm super excited to show you guys how I created this look. I am creating most of my looks on live with you so you guys can see it in action, but we're gonna do a tutorial. I'm gonna show you how I got this really cute snowflake liner. I saw this really pretty snowflake liner on Instagram by Tom with 2 N's _J_Jones, and I thought it was really pretty and I wanted to kind of do my own take on it, so I went for like a powdery Cinderella blue and lots of sparkle, lots of rhinestones, lots of glitter, and I just absolutely love how this came out. So if you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm.
Alright you guys, that's it for this graphic liner tutorial. I hope you loved this one. I absolutely love how it came out, and I really think that this makeup truly represents a Pisces personality during the Christmas and holiday season. So this graphic liner is inspired by Pisces. What do you think? Do you agree? Comment your zodiac sign down below and let me know if you got this one correct. I'm so excited for the rest of the days. Like, I can't even believe how I'm just so happy with the looks so far, and I'm so excited to show you guys the rest of the looks I have in store. So stay tuned, make sure you are subscribed and you're following me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since